Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So we finished all of the mod installs yesterday on my WRX, and I'm actually loading up Ron's tune on the access port right now. This is just the initial cruise, so for the first logging, and then we go from here. So basically I'm reading through the instructions on all of the parameters that we need to log, and then importantly about the air fuel sensor and stuff like that. So if you are doing this tuning process, make sure you read these instructions carefully. I've just got the map loaded up, so I'm ready to go to my WRX and get it flashed on, and then we go from there. Alright guys, so I'm in my car now and I'm just going through and making sure that I have all of the parameters in the data logs, so that when I start doing data logging, it'll be all the information that he needs. So make sure to read the instructions for what those are and turn them all on that you need. Alright, so right now I'm just flashing over Ron's tune onto my WRX. I've set all the parameters I need, so everything's good. Alright guys, so the first startup was successful. I didn't record me starting it up in the garage the first time, but I've now driven out of the garage and I'm just out kind of on a side road here. And I've made sure now all of the parameters, again, are set to what the instructions are from Ron's Phatbotti tuning. And I'm also monitoring my air fuel as well and everything like that. So what we have to do now is our first initial log, which is going to be just a 5-minute cruise around, just general driving. You do not go above 4,500 RPMs on this first map. Like, you just can't do that for the first while. You can still drive around, but you can't change it. So I'm actually going to just go and get gas, but we'll start the log now and then go for a drive. So I'm going to use a timer, and there we go. So you guys definitely won't be able to hear it on camera, but the Perrin Intake, my initial reaction is that it sounds so awesome. It's like there's a noticeable sound, and it's like very distinctive that it's the intake. I don't know how to explain it other than it's swooshy, like it just sounds so awesome. I absolutely love it. So I'm really stoked for that, and I'm sure even as the tune gets revised to become, its final form, I guess, it's gonna be even better, I bet. So right now I'm basically just kind of cruising around, keeping it under 4,500 RPMs for the 5-minute duration. There isn't really any noticeable power gains right now or anything. Like I said, I have to drive it very carefully and not be beating on it essentially. So right now we're at 4 minutes. Hopefully this red light doesn't last too long. I don't know. I presume you just drive like normal through the gears. So that's how we're doing it. Alright, so I just reached the 5-minute mark here now. We're at 5 minutes and 14 seconds. So I've stopped the log. Actually drove to the gas station and filled up with gas, and I realized I forgot to hit the logging button on the access port during that whole last cruise. So I'm gonna wrap that video up here now, focus a little bit more on getting this done properly this time. 5-minute cruise, just under 4,500 RPMs. Don't forget to press the log button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated in the next video on the next revision with what happens.